Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add apps on your iPhone. So what you have to do to add an app, first you need to go to settings, and here in settings, make sure you go to App Store, and here you have enabled mobile data, so you will use your mobile data to add the app to your iPhone. And here, once you added the app, once you enable that, go to Apple to Face ID and passcode is located here. Face ID and passcode, and here just set a passcode for your iPhone and make sure here you enable, so every single time you add an app to your iPhone you have to add a password. But instead of doing that, you can use your lock your iTunes or App Store. You can use your passcode or Face ID. So yeah, make sure you enable all the settings, and now we need to look for the app called App Store. App Store is this app right over here. Make sure you click on this app. Click on this app and now look for the apps that you want to add to your phone. So click on the search bar and here write maybe Instagram. Click on search. And now we just have to wait. Depends on your internet connection. To add an app will take I don't know exactly how long you'll have to wait, but it just depends on your internet connection, whether if you use mobile data or Wi-Fi. Make sure you enable your Wi-Fi or internet, your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Then just search for the app. I don't know, just search for any app, and then you can click on this button right over here. Click on this button to install, and that's what you have to do. I really hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.